Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very fine because festival seasons are going to be started now. Very excited. Though there is a lockdown, but I know you all are excited about all the festivals coming and praying God that, oh God, please, before Navratri, lockdown has to be over. Isn't that true? Yeah. So nice. We all are enjoying all the festivals, because festivals are meant for it, to bring happiness in our life. We are really bored about everybody's everyday's routine, and there is a break. Festival. Time you're relaxed, enjoying, surrounded by so many people, friends, family members, and so on. Such a happy moments. But I sometimes think we are surrounded by so many people. They all are good. No doubt. See. But there is one saying today only I have read that when you are crying, you are putting your tears, you are wiping your tears with one finger. But when you are happy, clapping with 10 fingers. It is so appropriate. When we are happy, there are so many people surrounding you. And that makes your moments very special. Yeah, I appreciate it. But when we are not happy, or say when we want some guidance, or we are doing some good work, how many people will be there to whom you can look upon? Look upon that they will give boost to your life, to your motive, and will try to make you happy. Because when we start something new, or maybe there are many things in the life when we are not happy, we are sad, but we don't know where to share, with whom to share. There we come to know who is our real well-wishers. Because I feel that well-wishers are those who do not speak just with the words, but they speak through their heart. And when they speak through their heart, it touches us. And it tries to pull us. We have got so many family members, so many friends. But I always tell you, first, you must have a positive vibes, because positive vibes will always attract positive vibes. This is a law of attraction. If you have negative vibes, definitely you will attract negative people only. There are many types of people in the world. Some people are there who are happy when you are down. Some people are there who are neutral. You will be happy or sad. Okay, we are just there. That is it. Means we are not there when your happiness is there. We are not there when you are sad also. And some people are there when you are sad, when you are unhappy, or when you want some moral support, they are there. It is not always sadness. It is sometimes you need a boost, For a car drive also we need accelerator to speed up the car. Same way. To speed up our moral, we need some boost. So, this is like, I see that on social media, nowadays, just everybody. From the morning, when we just open our eyes, we start with the Facebook and WhatsApp, isn't that? I see that there are many likes. Yeah? No. For example, see, if 100 people are seeing this video, hardly 20 people will give likes. What is the meaning behind it is that people wants to watch you where you go wrong. Actual meaning is they should not catch your words, but they should understand the feeling behind your words, the gist of the things which is shown. Then you can give them like. Similarly, in this world, very few people are there who will boost you. Others are going to just watch you because they don't understand your feelings. But shall we dishearten? No. For a moment you may be disheartened. Even I had faced some gloomy faces here and there in my life. But then I have always thought that I have to come out of it. What I am doing is good. Let it be. Let us continue with what I am doing. So, friends, I just wanted to tell you that in the life you must decide to whom you should look upon when you need them. Because, just a finger and then you are pulled up. But if there is no finger, you can't come up. So, I think that this may help you in some ways to understand that life has got so many types of people, but first you decide to whom you should look upon when you need anything. And never judge the people by the words or by the appearance. We always say that, never judge a book by the cover, isn't that? Similarly, never judge any people by the words or appearance, because they are just illusion. Touch the words, understand the feeling of the opposite person, and you will find the persons who will be with you. It is like a pearl, or there are many divers who go down into the sea to find a pearl. Out of many oysters, they hardly find one or a few pearls. Similarly, out of this world, you may find a very few people who really cares for you, who really loves you, but they are very precious here. So, don't miss them. Okay, friends, and make your life happy with such people's vibrations and company. That's all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe it, and like it. Please tell your friends and family also to subscribe these videos. We are going to give you emotional, spiritual, and many other types. Even the educational videos will be soon on my channel. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.